age 80 and I have trouble walking, and I just feel more secure when I have one of these ladies working for me. They just help me so much. They take me to the dining room if I need it. They take me shopping if I need it. It just kind of fulfills my life.
Dorothy's day is filled with many opportunities to be involved, independent, and productive, focusing on what she and her family have identified as important to her quality of life. In-home services help make it all possible. For Dorothy, it starts with a list of things she and her aide will accomplish. For other seniors her age, it may be the need for hands-on care in the home. Either way, Faith In-Home Services provides assistance that help overcome physical limitations, promoting the best quality of life for our seniors.
I'm not very steady on my feet, and they're always there helping me. If I kind of tipsy a little bit, they grab me and help me. They remind me to take my cane with me, which sometimes I go off and forget to do. And when I have my little dogs there, I can't always take them outside when they need to go, but they just grab the leash and away they go. I don't have to ask or beg, they just know what needs to be done and they do it.
Faith In-Home Services is a family-owned and operated agency providing quality private duty services to the Wichita and surrounding areas. Owners Kelly Bolin and Carrie Cox are a brother-sister team from the Derby, Kansas area that continue to create services in this community that meet the quality standards of their own family. Let's take a look at some of the services you can count on when using Faith In-Home Service for you or a loved one. Great care is taken to provide services that will assist you or your loved one maintain independence in their home. Our aides, companions, and private duty nurses can do as much or as little as you need. Services such as light housekeeping, laundry, cleaning dishes, preparing snacks or meals are basic but important to the daily needs of our clients. Services such as assistance with bathing, assistance with dressing, assistance with bathroom needs and hygiene care are even more critical when helping clients with special needs. Our aides can even assist a client that needs help from their chair or into bed. Either way, having someone close to help when necessary is invaluable and can help reduce the risk of falls or unnecessary accidents.
Well, I just don't feel like my family can always be right there with me 24 hours a day. They've got a life to lead too and everything. And my son lives clear out in Colorado, but I have a grandson here that is just wonderful, and I just feel like I need to give him his freedom too, like these aides are giving me my freedom.
Okay, and you need your prescriptions too.
Faith In-Home Services can also help with transportation. We help clients run errands promoting physical exercise and socialization when appropriate. Or, if they are unable to get out, we can run those errands for them, picking up prescriptions, groceries, medical supplies, and whatever else may be on the list. We can also help a client into the comfort of their own vehicle, drive them to their medical appointments, stay with them until they are ready, and return them safely home when family or other caregivers are unable to get away.
Yolanda, would you get me a hot dog?
We'll even stop to pick up a favorite snack or ice cream treat when a client feels like rewarding themselves with something special. These services are all about you or your loved one and what makes each day special, rewarding, and productive. No care is better than the care that promotes quality in our lives.
Quality of life to me is being able to do the things that I enjoy doing. I love to play bingo, and we have a bingo game there, and they'll take me down so I can do that. I like good food and everything, and if I need to go out, they'll see to it that I get to. And I like to sew. I love to do needlepoint and cross stitch, and they'll sit there and watch, and sometimes I even teach my aides how to do it. They don't know how and everything. But quality of life is satisfying the desires that I have to stay alert and to be comfortable.
Every client's needs are unique and special, so don't hesitate to consider what we can do for you, including medication reminder services, assistance with bill paying, assistance with pets, including feeding, walking, and basic pet care, assistance with outdoor needs like basic lawn care or seasonal yard projects, assistance with 24-hour care for patients and families in need, and so much more. These are only a few examples of what makes Faith In-Home Services special while helping you or your loved one define your independence. Today is the day you can invest in services that will help you enjoy your life while overcoming many of the challenges we all face.
When my aides get there and we decide to go shopping. I think that is just so much fun. Gets me out of my apartment, and sometimes I don't really need a lot, but just to get out and see the stores and go for a ride, that just refreshes me all over.
Okay, Dorothy, I guess that's gonna do it for today.
Each day is special at Faith in Home Services. It starts with a list of to-dos and ends filled with accomplishments. What is on your to-do list today? Faith in Home Services can help. Give us a call. We would be glad to meet with you and your family for a free evaluation of how faith can help make your list of needs seem more manageable.
Smells so good. Thank you.
Such a good day. Well, I guess I choose them because they have proved themselves to really be the best.